Today, I will overlook all the concerns that you have with Alibaba. Also, I am going to tell you how you can use Alibaba for your business. Are you afraid of sourcing? Or are you afraid of scamming? In this video, I'm going to share you everything you need to know about Alibaba. Hello guys and welcome back to JustChinait YouTube channel. I'm John, have been sourced and exported for 12 years. Since I graduated from university with a major of international trade in 2009. There are more and more clients complain to me they had a bad sourcing experience in China. It's awful. If clients don't have enough knowledge and skill, of course, they would be cheated or overcharged easily. But it's not real made in China. There are too many middlemen and scammers, and they are very good at marketing. Usually, they are the first contact with the buyers. Actually, most China-sourced suppliers are honest, trustworthy, and offer good quality and fantastic price. That's why I built JustChinait. Help the buyers avoid middlemen and scammers, save their time and energy, and lead them to the direct source manufacturer. JustChinait is the best China supply chain optimization company to drive profit growth. Offering quality-assured one-stop sourcing solutions with China sourcing, wholesaling, warehousing, and shipping service. Our mission is to let the world enjoy made in China. Folks, you can trust me. I buy from 600 China-sourced suppliers and shipping forwarders a month. Now, I don't know how to sell overseas or I can't speak fluent English, but I do know you have to get as deep as possible with China sourcing. Don't waste your money or lose faith with Made in China. There are many fantastic products with fantastic prices. You just need to avoid middlemen and scammers. Once you can fully use Made in China, you can grow your profit in times. I will show you all my insight, knowledge and resources about sourcing and shipping in my videos. By the way, I am using professional voice actor for my video, so you can understand me better. So, if you want to grow your business with Made in China, please subscribe to my channel now. Then you won't miss any updates. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is money. Let's get started. Today, I'm going to go through all of that and break it down step by step for you. That way sourcing becomes easier and not so scary of an adventure. So the things that today I am going to talk about are what is Alibaba and how to make use of Alibaba for your business. So first, what is Alibaba? Alibaba is the biggest B2B e-commerce website that connects buyers and sellers. It started from China. So at the beginning, it's just China suppliers. Now you can also find other Asia suppliers. B2B platform. Maybe you are curious, what does it mean? The only thing that Alibaba does is connect the buyer and seller. Sellers usually would pay about $5,000 per year to get them exhibited on Alibaba. Buyer can reach the suppliers for free. It's totally different with any B2C platform, such as eBay and Amazon. For example, you can buy one single piece from Amazon, and you are not happy with the quality, you can return the cargo and get your money back. But on Alibaba, you totally can't do that. The sellers only accept bulk orders. They won't sell you a single piece except for sample. You can't return the cargo to the suppliers if there is any mismatch or quality problem, as normally the freight cost would be higher than the product cost. And you must export and import. It may take a long time. So I saw very few clients send their cargo back to the suppliers. Even they can send the cargo back, the suppliers won't refund them. As most of product made from Alibaba are OEM. It's private label. It's your brand logo on the product and packaging. It's totally useless for the suppliers. So they won't pay you back anything. It means you must be very careful with your every sourcing step. As you are on your own risk, you can be easily to get cheated. It's hard to sue a China supplier. It relates lots of issues, would cost lots of time and energy. Finally, you may win, but you still can't get your money back. So, you are trying to tell me Alibaba is risky? Yes. It is. You can get everything from Amazon and eBay for your personal use or gift. It's perfect place to buy. There is good clients protection. You don't need to worry so much about the quality and risk. Then why do people still use Alibaba? Good question. Let's give you a picture. You can buy from an iPhone charger from Amazon, right? It may cost $39. Just guess how much you can get from China on Alibaba. $10. $5. $3. Yes. You can get $1.5 with good quality and nice packaging. Plus, the shipping cost, tax, ads cost, warehouse charge. Totally it cost about $5. Then you can get about $30 profit for your product. Sound fair? It will be a nice business to try. If you want to buy 1,000 pieces as a start, it just cost $1,500 totally. Not bad, right? Lastly, if you know how to reach the right supplier on Alibaba, then the risk becomes extremely low, and that helps generate a lot of profit. It'd just be good opportunity to have a try. Okay, we just talked about the selling on Amazon. Then you can't miss private label product. What is private label? Mostly private label means you have your own brand logo. You can put the logo on your product. So your cargo is different with the others. Just like Coca-Cola or Nike. Why is private label so important? If you don't work with private label and your cargo is the same as others, you will have lots of competitor. The risk is high, but the profit would be low. With Alibaba, private label is very easy to get. Almost all suppliers can help you on it. You can start running your brand. Order something with your brand logo on it. And in this way, you can sell on Amazon directly and take your business to a new height. You can do private labeling on anything and invest a little bit more and can generate a lot of profit by doing so. A lot of people do it, and it is a successful business that is run by a lot of people today. You find a popular product, put your brand name on it, and just sell it. Then, you have the complete business model. Find the most popular product from Amazon and order them from Alibaba. Put your brand on it, then sell. A lot of people already did it. How can I get more advantaged edge against my competitor? Is there anything I can use Alibaba? Yes, you can. Make some modification with the most popular products. For example, you find a wall charger on Amazon selling very well. Of course, you can find the suppliers who can make the same model easily. But you can't just copy the product ideas, as you may infringe. What should you do about it? Get a sample and check the reviews. See what the consumers likes and don't like. Then you can start to modify the wall charger. Maybe you will say, "Oh no, I know nothing about the engineering. I can't do that." Don't worry, find a manufacturer from Alibaba. There are many resources there. You can get some professional help. But in this way, the charge would be a bit higher. You may need to order more units. Maybe 3,000 pieces or 5,000 pieces. Maybe there is a molding charge also, but it would be worthy investment. Once you have better product, you may have better sales, but remember you have to reach the real professional and helpful source manufacturers. Finally, we are going to talk about payment. I am keeping tell you the risk. The most risk is you will lose money and can't get your money back. When you didn't get any delivery or the product you received is not working. Is there any solution to deal with this? Yes, as buyers, you don't have to pay anything to the platform. Just suppliers paid the membership and ads. But they do offer some payment services. On Alibaba, it's called trade assurance. If you have many suppliers with the same condition, it means you have lots of options. You should try to choose the suppliers that accept trade assurance. So, trade assurance is a type of insurance for your order, and by taking its advantage, we can place an order. It is working like a third part hold the money. You receive the product okay. Then the suppliers can get the money. It sounds a very great solution. But I have to say, many of suppliers don't want to use it, as it may take much longer time to get paid. But the suppliers had to invest the money for production in advance. I asked a lot of manufacturers, they don't want to use it, as they thought their profit is not so high. In this way, you may find some of suppliers offer much higher price with trade assurance. Some are cheaper, but don't use trade assurance. I will share with you the solutions how to deal with this kind of situation. Alibaba is a very good place to go for your business, but you must learn how to use it, how to verify the suppliers, how to deal with the suppliers, how to fulfill your orders. I believe once you can create some amazing business. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for your watching. I hope it's helpful for your business growing. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any updates. Comment below for any doubts or something you want us to make videos on. I will see you in the next video.